Dads do cloth diaper. Come inside to hear some tips from my favorite cloth diapering dad. Hey everybody, I'm Jamie from clothcuties.com, a site we've designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, we've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm welcoming a guest to the show. He's my husband and partner in cloth diapering, Dewan Frank. Tomorrow is his birthday, so I figured it'd be a fitting time to invite him on the videos to share his cloth diapering perspective. All right, everybody, here's Dewan.
Hello, everyone.
All right, do you want to tell everyone about yourself in 3 seconds?
In 3 seconds? Hello, I'm Dewan. I'm the dad. And what else should I say?
That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so here's a softball question, babe. What was your first thought when I brought up cloth diapering?
I thought it was, I guess, interesting. I didn't really, I don't think I shot it down when you brought it up, but I just thought it was different and interesting. This was before you kind of explained everything that went along with it. So, probably that, just different, interesting, and I don't think I said no outright, did I?
I don't remember. It's been over 4 years.
Yeah, it's been a while, so I think I'd have to go with that answer there.
Can you tell us how cloth diapering, if it's had any impact or how it's impacted your parenting?
I'm fully on board with cloth diapering now. I talk about it a lot. I recommend it to friends just because it's easy, and over time it's been cost efficient because we really only had to buy one stash and maybe a few different kind of specific diapers for our girl when she came along.
Yeah, and if you remember, you had a beer and diaper party.
Sure did.
So that helped us get diapers, and then with our daughter,
right?
We had a work diaper shower too. So we really didn't spend that much money, so it was pretty cost effective.
Right. So instead of the traditional diapers where they bring, say, Pampers or Huggies or whatever, people would buy gift cards or different things to go toward buying diapers for our cloth stash, right?
Right.
Okay.
That's exactly what we do. So what's been your favorite, besides money, benefit of cloth diapering?
I'd like to think probably the not really having a lot of diaper rashes and blowouts is probably my big favorite thing. So we didn't really deal with diaper rashes as much, especially with our son, and no blowouts. And I know you said not to mention the money, but the money to me was a big part too.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a huge deal to be able to save lots of money.
Sure.
And what aspect of cloth diapering do you dislike the most? I think I know what his answer is, but I'm gonna let him have it.
It is probably rinsing the poopy diapers.
Yes, that's what I expected.
Because I have subtly, not so subtly, tried to avoid doing that at all costs.
It ain't been subtle.
Yeah, that's my least favorite part. It's not, once you do it, it's not bad, but it's probably my least favorite part, but it's not as bad as it sounds, I guess.
Yeah, and I get it. Like, it's nasty, right? You're coming in contact with someone's poo, but it's not dirty or nasty either. It's not just absolutely disgusting.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now, I will say, if we probably rinsed the diapers right after they came off like we're supposed to, it probably wouldn't be as bad, right?
That's honest.
So when they sit for a few days is what makes the heart not grow fonder about having to wash those out. So
right. And so if one of your friends asked you about cloth diapering, what's one thing you think someone should know from a dad's perspective about cloth diapering?
I would probably say from the dad's perspective, probably the cost aspect of, you maybe pay a lot of money up out front, but it's cheaper over the long run. And it's environmental. I mean, because we try to have a sense of those things these days. So cloth diapers literally don't biodegrade. They're there forever. So it's economical and I guess green, I guess, if you want to call it that. So
he using words like biodegradable on the channel. Did I mention he's a chemical engineer? He is. Do you have a funny story to share about a cloth diapering time or moment in the last 4 years?
My biggest, I guess, it's not a specific story, but when you tell like the older generation of folks that you cloth diaper and they think of like a baby Huey type situation with like a safety pin and all that other stuff. So it's usually interesting to teach the older folks about how basically cloth diapers look just like regular diapers with snaps, and then kind of see them really come around on, oh, okay, it's not that bad, because they automatically jump back to like safety pins and, you know, washboards and all that other stuff. So
yeah. Well, this interview, I hope for you, has been pretty painless.
I hope so. Yeah, it has been.
This is the last question. Is there anything or any parting tips you want to leave with the people?
I recommend cloth diapering as a dad. It's really, really easy. And don't let the poop sit.
He's funny too, everybody.
Right.
Most days. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this interview with my cute little husband. Now y'all see why I picked him, or he picked me, something like that. But subscribe to the channel so you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video every Thursday. And make sure you head over to clothcuties.com so I can help you continue to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Bye.